Ready to embark on the ultimate RV adventure? I'd like to welcome you to the RV Gear and Far community, your next first stop for all things RV related. I'm Joshua, and together we're going to unlock the secrets of RVing. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, RV Gear and Far is here to guide you every step of the way. We're all about providing you with the knowledge and gear you need to enhance your RV experience. We meticulously review the latest RV gear so that you can make informed decisions and equip your RV with the best tools, which means less time fussing over gear and more time adventuring and exploring with your friends and family. But that's not all. We've got a treasure trove of RV tips and tactics to share with you. From boondocking secrets to campground etiquette, our videos are packed with valuable insights to help you navigate the road with confidence. And for all you DIY enthusiasts out there, get ready for some serious inspiration. We'll take you step by step through incredible DIY projects that will transform your RV and make it uniquely yours. We'll even compare and contrast DIY gear with the commercial versions so that you can decide which route is best for you. But the real magic happens when you become a part of our incredible RV Gear and Far community. By subscribing to RV Gear and Far, you'll join a vibrant group of like-minded RV enthusiasts. Connect with fellow travelers, share your stories, and together we'll create unforgettable memories around the campfire. Don't miss out on all the RV wisdom, gear reviews, and incredible adventures. Hit that subscribe button right now and join me on this amazing journey. Together we'll unlock the true potential of your RV adventures and make memories that will last a lifetime. I can't wait to see you out there. Happy trails!